So we have a computer in our room. This is the best actually internet because it's wired. I mean the wireless internet, like any other places we've been, suck. I gotta tell you. It says free internet, but actually it's free, but there is no internet. So I got this computer, but everything is in Korean in this computer. The language is Korean, and I'm trying to see how to change the language through that little very helpful program, Google Translate. I feel like archaeology expert in Egypt just deciphered all these words, but I still cannot find English.
So we live in this part of Busan, and we are going now to Haeundae Beach. We are going to stay there for one night.
부산항대교.
Busan Harbor Bridge.
(1705), 1706 should be very close. Yay, this is our room, 1707. I have no clue where I put the keys. Save. We're not gonna use it now after we forgot our passports. And for some tea. There we go. Let's see our view. It's good. I'm gonna go eat now. Gonna eat tonight a Korean barbecue. Thank you.
So proud of my cooking skills. Nobody can beat me in the kitchen.
For sure. Have you noticed that here in Korea, people eat mostly ketogenic food?
Yes, fat,
Fat.
greens, and less carbs.
No carbs. The only carb that they have is just rice, and they don't
Rice.
offer it.
Yeah.
We ask for rice. They don't offer the rice.
Yeah.
But it's like everything is ketogenic.
That is so healthy.
It's like
I really like that.
greens, fats, greens, fat. If you want to lose weight, you just
Eat
eat
that kind of food.
Korean food.
Yummy.
It's very delicious.
Tonight is our last night in South Korea, and tomorrow morning we're leaving in Busan and we're going to Japan.
I'm really gonna miss South Korea. The people are so wonderful. The food is so delicious. We had amazing time here in Seoul and Busan, and we'll come again.
If I go, would you follow? Would you stay around? Would you stay around? Can we make it till tomorrow?